So we'll now proceed to flushing our catheter. This is all done sterilely. We had all the supplies opened up on our sterile field here, which was the glove wrapping. We'll make sure to flush the catheter with some saline, and then we will do what I called unlocking the catheter, which means sliding the catheter off the stylet for a little bit and then sliding it back on, which will make it easier for you to slide it down into the vein. And we have our injection plug here ready on the field. All right. Now I'm going to have one sterile hand that holds the catheter. The way I hold it is usually between the thumb and the middle finger, while making sure to only touch the hub of the catheter, not the catheter itself. And I'm placing my index finger on top of the catheter so that I have more strength to push it into the vein. And I'm going to have one hand that's going to be non-sterile because I'm going to use that to hold off the vein in the horse. Here on the model, I really need this hand to feel where the vein is because it doesn't swell up. So I'll palpate the vein, and then I'm going to place my catheter parallel to the vein and the blood flow. I'm going to angle it at about 45 degrees to go in. Once I'm in the vein, I'm going to see blood coming up. I'm still going to advance just a little bit, so a larger part of the stylet is in the vein. And then one hand is going to hold the stylet and it's not going to move, while the other hand is going to slide the catheter into the vein. And I'll pull the stylet out. I'm going to shut this off, and we are going to be ready to put the injection plug on the catheter. And in the live horse, as explained during the lab, the catheter would be larger, longer, it would be a different material. We would likely use an extension set, and we would suture the catheter and the extension set to the horse. So once you're ready to take the catheter out on the model, make sure this is shut off. And on the model and also on the live patient, you would cut all the suture line, you would pull the catheter out and hold the vein off for a little while after you have removed the catheter.